Hello guys, in this video I did a lot of video though, but I lost the main video which I did about when I tested this thing, the voltage, the wattage, the current and how it works. I also did an experiment also with it with, let me see, where's the other work, with another generator. You can see this is a full working alternator that I created here. I modified it. You see another version here too. Coils are inside. You can see the neodymium magnets. Yeah, you can see it right there. So what I did here was that I tested it with the load. You'll be seeing 100 watts. Oh, put it in a 60-watt carton here though. It's not the one of the bulb here. That's 100 watts. This is a 200-watt bulb. It's also written here. You can see it. You can see 200 watts. Just in case you are doubting that this is not 100 watts, I can use it 200 watts for testing. So I will test it instead with the 200 watts for that reason. So let's give it a try and a test. Okay, just as you can see, $200. You can see it here. So I'll be putting this here. Just one of these alternators I created here. You see how efficient this generator is. Just this one. I'm not even connecting the other one. This wire belongs to the second one here. But watch. Can you see? That's just at its lowest. So the battery is low. This is a 200-watt bulb. But watch. Now we have the booster here. And now watch what this baby can do. You see, all like there's no load on it. Very, very bright. Like this is the second wire here, you can see. Let's spark it so you see. You can see this another connection. You can see how powerful this device is. Let me test it with the 100 watts so you see. This generator is very, very efficient. You can see 100 watts is even more brighter. You can see. Very powerful. 200 watts again. You can even put up a 300-watt load on it. It will still power it. Now let me show a full scheme on how this will work. What you see here is a fully operational modified generator which I did, which I said I can also use it for a wind turbine just by putting a blade here, and when the wind rotates it in low RPM, it generates alternating current. You can see, look inside there, you can see a neodymium that I put. I did a configuration here. This is a 12 stator, and this also is a 12 stator. This is more than 800 watts. That this particular one, you can see the coil here. I connected it in parallel. Just this small thing, a very small. Look at it. Look at my hand. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Right? Look. As small as this thing is, can move more than 800 watts of load without any stress due to the efficiency of this device, because this motor is fucking efficient. Sorry for that. It's very, very efficient. Very, very efficient. When I say efficient, I've never seen any generator like this, because that generator has some issues, electromagnetism and all sorts of things, but this one, with the work of the powerful magnet and some modification in the coil, I was able to give more than its input or output. I created 3 generators though. This one is AC, and another one also which produces 24 volts for battery charging. And so by this, you can also see this generator is reading 220 to 240 volts AC. If I read it with my multimeter now, it's a 200-watt bulb, just like I said. You will see I power this bulb like there's nothing on it. and the 100 watt bulb, which you always see in my previous video those days. You can see I did a full video on how this thing works and from the beginning, but I'm very sorry that I lost the video due to some problem on my phone. So because of that, I can't get access to that video again anymore. So I had to create this one so you guys should see. But if you have any question, what you don't understand about this video, you can ask, drop a comment. Yeah, just ask me anything and I will make you understand. This is the motor and spin the generator. You see. So guys, let me give you one last test, then one last try. Let me punch the wire. Last test, then that will be all for today. Just in case, just this small thing. Can even let it light up with just my hands. If I put it up and spin it, very easy. Look at it, very easy to move, very efficient. You can work the whole day without any stress. I say thanks for watching. I will be seeing you in my next video. Please follow, like, and subscribe, because I found out that most of you guys are just watching my video and not liking or subscribing. Those things are what motivates me to publish more video. So please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. It really helps me a lot. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.